Hello students, hope you along with your family members must be in best of health. Today I will be elaborating you regarding first practical sheet of your course pertaining to types of colors. Students, in this sheet you will use only acrylic colors. This sheet will be covering primary colors, secondary color, tertiary color. So first of all, we will start with primary colors. Primary colors are those which cannot be obtained by mixing of any two colors. They are pure and are found in nature as it is. So they are called primary colors. There are three primary colors. Number 1 red, number 2 blue and number 3 yellow. For this you have to mark 3 circles on your sheet, maximum 2 inches, and to fill red color in first circle, blue in second circle and yellow in third circle. Now secondary colors. The colors obtained by mixing of two primary colors are known as secondary colors. For example, if we mix red and blue, we will get violet color. While if we mix yellow and blue, we will obtain green. Similarly, on mixing red and yellow, we will get orange color. So, this is clear that secondary colors are also 3 in numbers like primary colors, that is violet, green and orange. Now we will go through tertiary colors. If we mix any one of primary colors with any one of secondary colors, we will obtain a tertiary color. For example, on mixing violet and blue color, we get indigo, and on mixing orange and red, we get saffron. Similarly, if we mix yellow and orange, we will obtain deep yellow color. This is all to be covered in your first practical sheet as being displayed by example sheet. Please note that after making this sheet, please upload the pic of same on your Easy Class assignment portal. This is mandatory. Thanks students, take care and stay healthy.